guys, let me start with the lobby. You can see the lobby is so beautiful. Okay. So this is the entrance, and you see the buggies out here, which is used for moving around the resort because it's very huge. Okay, so you can see a lot of art here. It's so beautiful. See those horses. So many beautiful sculptures. Seems like they're made of marble, stone. Let's go ahead and see some more. Let me turn it straight so I can focus on each one of them. Look at this beautiful art. It's I just don't have words. I'm just taken aback by all this art here, you know. This is, I guess it's the Paul Rope is a wardrobe designer. I was just getting the word. Just look at these paintings, and they have some nice dresses out here. Okay, and yep. Okay, that's nice. It's a nice dog. It's a nice dragon. Okay, so hello guys, this is our Ayung Resort Ubud. We booked a deluxe Sita room, and as you can see there's a buggy service here because the main hotel is far from here. So this is so beautifully made art. And you have the entrance here, Ganesha statue. Stone arcs here, beautiful ones. Some horses there. This is the lobby. You can see some nice paintings out there. Nice furniture. Yet another painting here. Chess piece as a showpiece. Okay, you can see some nice art here. So you have more 2 rooms there, and this is our room number 215. Okay, this is the entrance. Okay, and left side we have our hot tub first, basin, and the bathroom, and the toilet here. There's a cupboard, just 2 things. Lock here. Nice place to keep your bag. Here you have the coffee maker machine, water. See here, we have a free mini bar. This is created every day, refill. Okay, so we have milk and some cold drinks and Milo. Okay, there's nothing here. This is a TV. Okay. And since it's my birthday today, wife has just given me a surprise. So we have happy birthday written here. And look at the beautiful bed out here. Wood is really nice. Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah, you can come. Please come. No, bro, please come. Okay. And this is my wife. Gave me a surprise. So let us continue showing you the room. Okay. As you saw, this is coffee maker, television set, and here you have the magnificent bed. And since it's my birthday today, that's a surprise from my wife. And nice lamps beside the bed. And you have a pretty sofa here, colorful sofa. One in maroon and the other one is brownish. You have the study table here. Nice lamp. And this is some nice art here. Okay. And this is the balcony. Nice chairs. You can have a cup of tea in the evening here. And